Hi, I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes, and this is your weather briefing from West Tennessee Weather Online for Thursday afternoon, January the 28th. And our big weather story, of course, is the winter storm, as we've been talking about it all week. A winter storm arrives late tonight and will significantly impact the region right on through Friday, with the greatest impact likely during the daylight hours on Friday. Icing will be a major impact, especially south of Interstate 40, and snow should present the major impact for areas north of I-40. This is a warning map that shows you the winter storm warning in the pink area that stretches from New Mexico right on through Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma, southern portions of Missouri, and most of Arkansas through the volunteer states, southern half of Kentucky on into Smoky Mountains. A large area of the country being impacted by this winter storm, and there it is. This is as of mid-afternoon with the radar analysis and the frontal boundary. You can see that storm is getting itself together over the southern plains, with the northern half of this being frozen precipitation. The frontal boundary bringing cold air out ahead of this storm for our area is being pushed in and through the region by high pressure building south. The leading edge of that cold air is now into Mississippi and North Alabama, so the cold air is getting in place, awaiting the arrival of the moisture. Speaking of the moisture, here's the radar as of late afternoon. Kind of get your bearings. This is in the West Tennessee area, extreme West Tennessee. This is Arkansas, of course, and the area of precipitation, main area of precipitation, is still back in Oklahoma and northeast Texas. It's pushing our way, is expected to be in here after midnight. And you can see by daybreak on Friday, the low pressure itself is going to be to the northwest of Houston, Texas, and we've got a large area of precipitation with about the northern third of it being frozen, pushing into the mid-south region. And freezing rain and sleet will be a possibility at the onset, but changing quickly to snow as we go through the course of the day. By Friday evening, it looks like that the main bulk of precipitation will be just east of the Tennessee River, but we will have lingering snows back over West Tennessee, and it's expected that we could see a quarter of an inch or more of ice, as you can see in this particular area shaded in red, basically along and south of the Interstate 40 corridor. And it looks like that snow will be confined to the northern portions of the area, where 6 to 10 inches of snow, if possible, from roughly Interstate 40 to the Kentucky state line. And just south of that, we have 3 to 6 inches marked off from the Interstate 40 area south to roughly the Mississippi line, maybe to Bolivar, and then 1 to 3 inches just getting into the northern, extreme northern portions of Mississippi. So those exact areas will probably be subject to change just a little bit, where we're kind of zeroing in on those amounts. If you're going to need to know the road condition information, you can call 511 in Tennessee. And if you want to get the heads up on the road conditions, you can go to the website from the Tennessee Department of Transportation, their SmartWay website, www.tdot.state.tn.us/tdot-smartway. That'll get you where you need to. Then you can also brief yourself on the safety checklist. Go to www.wtnweather.com. That's our website, and you can check out the latest Red Cross safety checklist. Well, that's your weather briefing for this time. We'll be updating as necessary. Hope you have a happy, safe evening, and stay up on the very latest weather forecast from your favorite media sources, but especially here on West Tennessee Weather Online.